So this is the hot swappable mouse. Yep, you can change switches on this mouse. Up to recently I thought this was not possible without soldering, but I guess I was wrong. What's up people, Vlad here. So let's check out what comes in the box if you decide to get the ASUS ROG Keris wireless mouse. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. So DHL was not nice with my package, obviously, so the box is a little banged up, sorry about that. But on the box itself you can actually see all the features of this mouse. Various wireless connectivity options, that it uses Aura Sync RGB as well. On the back side you get a more detailed view of the features themselves. So in the box you get additional Omron 1 million clicks switches, which we will talk about later as well. You get the 4 additional 100% Teflon or PTFE feet, some ROG stickers, quick start guide and warranty card as well. Here is a mouse itself. You can immediately note that it has a mode switching button below, which allows you to switch between 2.4 GHz mode with cleverly hidden dongle, Bluetooth 5.1 mode or wired mode as well. There are also 2 buttons here, DPI switch and pairing button for the Bluetooth mode. First off, let's talk about the design of the Keris. This mouse has a sleek and ergonomic shape, and its honeycomb inner structure results in a lightweight 79-gram design, making it comfortable to use for long gaming sessions. One of the standout features of the Keris is the 3-mode connectivity. It has dual wireless 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5.1 plus wired USB, giving you multiple options for connecting to your computer. And with a range of up to 10 meters, you won't have to worry about being tethered to your computer. It is also worth noting that the mouse response is much better using the dongle rather than the Bluetooth connection. The wired connection is made with a paracord sleeved ROG cable, which is super flexible, it can't be kinked nor tangled, and it is 2 meters long, USB-C on one end and USB-A on the other end. The mouse also has an impressive battery life, lasting up to 78 hours on a single charge or up to 56 hours with the RGB lighting on. And when it does run low, you can quickly juice it up with the included USB-C charging cable and the wired fast charging feature, which provides up to 12 hours of playtime on a 15-minute charge only. The battery inside is 500 mAh, and with my moderate usage of up to 6 hours a day, I managed to squeeze 17 days out of it before it went completely empty, as it will give you a blinking red warning once it reaches 25%. Now let's talk about the performance of the Keris. This mouse is equipped with a high-precision 60,000 dpi Pixart PAW3335 sensor, which provides precise and accurate tracking with a 400 IPS tracking, 1000 Hz polling rate and 40G max acceleration, allowing for quick and responsive movement. It also has 7 programmable buttons, 2 of them are on the bottom of the mouse. So to program these buttons you need to use the ASUS Armoury Crate software, which is actually its biggest flaw at the same time. But the good thing is that it has the onboard memory. So once you are happy with button placement, button programming and DPI programming and RGB settings, you can then delete the software. You won't get battery life notifications in the Windows if you do so, but luckily it will start blinking in red once it reaches 25%, so you will know once it's time to recharge the battery. It is equipped with premium PBT polymer left and right buttons with a durable matte finish and swappable side buttons to suit any play style and provide customization options. Grey and pink buttons are included in the box, and these are super easy to swap. Just pull the old ones out as they are magnetically held in place and put the new ones in. You can of course make your own combination as well. I did mention that this is a hot swappable mouse, so yeah, you can change the switches. Pop 2 rubber plugs underneath the mouse, there are 2 Phillips screws here. Remove these and gently lift the cover from the back side up. This will reveal the internals of the mouse. It has ROG exclusive push-fit switch sockets, which allow you to swap switches as you wish. It comes with ROG red micro switches, which provide consistent click force and a 70 million click lifespan. So here is a demo of how it sounds with both ROG and Omron switches as well. Oh, the swap procedure is super easy, just lift the switch up and push the new one in, return the top cover and screw the 2 screws underneath there. The ROG micro switches produce crisp, consistent, satisfying clicks, while the Omron switches are somehow muted and less clicky. Also, they are rated at only 1 million clicks, while the ROG ones are rated up to 70 million clicks. I also happen to have Kale GM 8.0 switches here, and both them and the ROG switches sound and feel absolutely the same to me, which leads me to believe that ROG switches are in fact Kale switches, because side buttons are also made by Kale. Oh, and the squeeze test did not produce any squeaks nor cracks sounds at all during the test. In terms of build quality, the Keris is rock solid. It has durable construction and it's built to withstand the rigors of competitive gaming. The ergonomic shape is suitable for right-handed people with its slightly curved shape in the front. Overall, the mouse is actually smaller than most mice on the market, so it's suitable for smaller hands as well. Coming with these dimensions: 118mm in length, 62mm wide and 39mm at its tallest point. As you can see, it's literally the same size as the Razer Viper Mini, and in my tests while gaming, it did produce slightly better results as almost all my headshots landed where they needed to. But honestly, this maybe has to do more with the mouse shape rather than mouse precision. Personally, I like the ergo shape way more than ambidextrous design. Also, this mouse shape is excellent for fingertip and claw grip styles, and I am literally a hybrid of the two. RGB is not obnoxious, a subtle glow on the scroll wheel and on the backside with the ROG illuminated logo. Other than that, there is only a subtle ROG logo on the right side of the mouse which is not illuminated. I mean, it's all tastefully done, no RGB on the sides and such. So what's the verdict on the ASUS ROG Keris wireless mouse? Overall, it's a top-performing gaming mouse that delivers on both style and substance. Its comfortable design, 3-mode connectivity and high-precision Pixart PAW3335 sensor make it a great choice for both casual and competitive gamers. It's also officially verified for the NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer, which allows you to monitor mouse responsiveness in real time. So if you're in the market for a new gaming mouse, the Keris is definitely worth considering, and it's also available as a wired version, which is around $49 while the wireless variant is around $55, which makes it a no-brainer choice as it can be used as a wired mouse as well. Thanks for watching this review of the ASUS ROG Keris wireless mouse. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Sub to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.